cycling equipment, and we kind of actually have some brackets to pull it out. I usually, when I'm doing horizontal cracks with this wheel, I'm usually at about, not for me, not quite to where the feeder is, but probably a foot to the left of the feeder.
So about 1 o'clock?
Yeah, pretty close to 1 o'clock. Right. So I always, I let it wind up a little. That's my main thing. So the first thing to get down is just that thrust. So why don't you walk like that a little bit? Okay, so you started going counter, and then are you right hand or left hand? Okay, so that's probably going to be easier. I did kind of feel it that way first. So I have it up here, bringing it around, and then I decide I'm going to go. Decide I'm going to go out there.
How do you know what point though to go reverse? Is it going to be a certain position?
Let me do it one more time. And then I actually, it's partly a feel where the drag is, but it's partly I know it's with my arms are, I think they're probably about, I'll tell you, okay, wind up and
So it's just past behind your right shoulder when you're starting the reversal.
So I feel that drag, my arms are, I'll do it a couple times so you just kind of see that consistency. And actually, I ended up, I was in pretty much where you were standing a moment ago, so
Okay.
that's fine.
What do you mean by aiming?
Then my line of sight of where I'm trying to crack. So the crack is actually happening a little farther over. It's not like my goal is from that precise, but that's kind of my target area. Okay. So and it's very consistently cracking. Like
2 o'clock.
right at the corner of that thing. But that's not really what I'm actually looking for it when it's there, cracks a little farther over. If I was target cutting, I'd be looking at exactly.
So are you raising or lowering?
I try to keep it somewhat horizontal, but it does pull down. And let me do one back.
So you're pulling it down, or you're trying to pull it just horizontally?
I try to pull it horizontal, but it doesn't really work. And I'm going to try to get it where I go back and forth a few times, just so you can kind of see it's on the front too. So I mean, you end up with a little bit of twist, but it all ends up being feel. You feel where it hits the end of the bat, and that's when you got to be bringing it back. Yeah. And the opposite motion is not a kind of cross, it's a cross. So that's the hard part to just kind of get the feel for it. But so first you can feel it first. Because the second is much harder. Kind of get a good feel. You might want your right hand up just a little, probably about
Closer to the
there.
tip,
Yeah, and it's
Right about here?
yeah, probably about there. But when you're doing the arm, it's not quite as much this kind of motion. It's keeping it a little more. Yeah, that's getting better. That's getting better.
About here, coming down.
Right. And don't duck. Whatever you do, stay upright. Okay. Well, hey, you got a pop out of it, okay? Get it going a little faster because it's not pulling itself all the way out. It's kind of go for broke on it. So one thing I see right now.
Go ahead.
Let me just show you. So this arm, even though it comes forward and backwards, everything stays pretty steady up here, right?
So the left arm is pretty locked in.
Don't get too wobbly around and stuff because then you've got all this float. It's just going to come back again. So you want to have it where you kind of get your thing down. But you want to feel what's dragging out the rhythm. You don't want enough velocity to do that.
Okay.
Now you're fine all the way around. Right?
Get some more speed.
Yeah, more speed. Yeah, that's better.
So about here, right there.
Yeah. Right. And when you're doing, okay, so it's not a cut across your head, it's a cut it, you're still going in a circular motion, but you're circling the opposite direction.
Just changing the direction of the stick.
Right, so the reason it's kind of cutting right across your head is because when it's at that point, what you're doing is you're pulling it here. I mean, it's almost like casting a fishing rod, but it's pulling. So you want to have it to where when you're doing that, when you reverse the direction, you're still going in
Just
the arc.
doing the same motion, but in
Yeah, you're still
reverse.
doing the same motion. You're just reversing because if you reverse it too quicker on a different path, that's when they'll land it. That can be kind of your sighting point. You're thinking of. That's better. That's actually getting there. So kind of keep with that a little bit. Just get, kind of build up some confidence with it. Okay. So, I mean, you are getting some, decent crafts. It's going to be hard to put a part 2 on that, but just, keep it. Okay, that was much better. And you really did that time do more of a same kind of follow through. You're getting better with the motion of the follow through.
Okay, I'm going to take some lights out here.
Okay? So it's just because once you're doing that, you're flipping it back up in the air. So just let it follow itself through rather than putting it up in the air. That's not really touching it. And when you start putting in the second half, you're not going to want it going all wonky on you anyway. Okay? So you're getting that motion down much better. So let me show you. If I was only going to do one, what would I end up doing with the tip of the whip? What would I be doing with the left foot? So I'm just moving it back around, but I'm not pulling it back up. Because especially like in a bull whip, you do something like that, it is going to just touch you. So you always got to think about where it's going to finish up.
Cutting back and then.
Right. So then the next thing, once you're getting that motion down, the way that I first started doing it, because this is much more difficult than the bull whip. So what I did at first was I would do this, and then I would do this.
Couple.
And I would cut the other direction. I'd do a couple skateboards, right? To get kind of the feel of that. Okay, I'm the lights.
Because I know it's just going to happen. I'm just going to kind of get it all of a sudden and it'll be it.
Well, yeah, once you start getting in the rhythm and then you try to stay in the rhythm, because like if I've been doing other stuff, sometimes I get myself out of it and it's so hard for me to get it back. But that was better. I mean, you allowed it to do its thing at the end. So yeah, so now you're just going to do that. The other direction is so much harder. And that's why it's good to just get the hang of that before even... So now just think about, even if you're not going to crack it the other direction, think about just starting to move it back the other direction. And it has to be, you'll get it to where without hesitation, because once it hesitates, now it's got a mind of its own and it's not going where you want it. So then when you're, watch, that reverse, I don't know about you, but I find it easier once I try something, then it's easier for me to see what I'm watching. So, we're going to do. And you don't have to try the second direction right away. First, just get to where you feel like you can control it coming back. And that, I mean, that structure is a little bit low by the time it gets to these corners, but it's not going to hurt it. Yeah, that was better. See? And now you can just start it back up the other direction rather than cutting back. But that way you just start now teaching yourself kind of that next phase. Better. So, but the next time when you do that, try to don't even have that moment of hesitation. Just you know it's coming back.
Continue the other way.
Now you're just going around. Yeah. Okay, that was better. So you're getting more the hang of it. Much better. Much better. Yeah, it's getting much more fluent with that. To me, it's kind of like learning another language, but it's
just
all
practice.
body. You know,
like everything, you just have to put the time in, make the effort.
And it's muscle memory. And what you'll find when it does finally click, when I'm doing well, it's effortless and I can stay out there, but if I've got something a little bit off, it's a struggle. That's definitely going better.
Yeah, I kind of get the feeling on the right side.
Yeah. Now, if you're feeling lucky,
Double?
well, I wouldn't go straight to double, but you can start the other direction and pull it the other direction. So, in other words, instead of starting it now clockwise, go ahead and start. Counter. Go ahead and start it clockwise when you feel like, okay,
what about here, right?
feel, then you're going to go the opposite direction, right? Okay, so again, now you got to get the arm. I think you switched arms.
Nope.
Yes, you did. Do it the other way again for a moment.
Haven't switched.
Oh, you're right. Okay. Okay, so now do it that way. So now it's going to be getting that hang of it back again of how you're doing the arm rather than, yeah, you're getting smoother. Just like on the other side, the first one put right across your head, but you know, you have the same issue on the other side. Yeah, you're kind of unfurling it right over your head rather than, again, remember to, okay, so now you're going clockwise and you're doing this arc, right?
Yep.
So when you cut back, same arc. So you're kind of back, just like you had first in the other direction, where you're just cutting straight across instead of arcing.
Well, here, I changed direction, just cut
Right,
back the
and
same
with
arc.
an arc still. Because otherwise that sucker's going to get you in the back of the head.
All right, I thought
Okay?
that.
So when I'm watching your arms right now, what's happening is so you're doing this direction, right? You're doing arc,
Yeah.
and you cut back, you're
Sort of like a baseball bat.
yeah, you're doing it like this way. And then what happens is the wind is curling and it's popping, but what it's doing is rising but you're doing good at not ducking too. That's usually people's biggest problem.
Ducking?
Yeah, when you duck, it follows you. It has no choice. It will whack you every time. It's just the timing feels a little different when you get to that side, right? But that was back to when you first started doing okay on the other side, right? So it's just going to take. But you're getting closer to the right motion, okay? So don't get frustrated that it doesn't happen right away. You are getting closer to keeping
So it's like
a
this,
little
kind
bit of an arc. Right, exactly.
What I'm doing is I'm
That's
following
it.
through with my heel like a baseball.
Yeah.
That's screwing it up.
Yeah, and it's, you know, and I found at different times when I've done it, sometimes I'll just completely change something in the way I do it, and for whatever reason, for me at that point, that's what works. But the basic motion stays the same. You're being a little hesitant, so what happens is you lose your speed.
Yep.
It's already starting to fall.
It collapses.
Cover that. So commit to it. And it's much easier to commit on the other side at first because you just kind of feel like, no, I got this, right? Same thing. That was better until right when you went to start it, you hesitate. Better. Okay? That's getting down to this. And just follow through with it. Think about, once you do that, exactly. Make yourself just go right back into the other spinning. Good. Okay, now you're starting to string it together. I think that's going to be easier for you to keep the motion flowing by doing that at first, because now, instead of thinking, done, now what happens, you're already thinking, okay, got to start going.
Yeah.
And it gives you someplace to go with it.
You have to make that motion more natural.
Right. But that'll come. I mean, it's you know, you start getting to where it's like, you know, I mean, look at how much better you're doing that crack already. But you are getting a crack at it. There's people who can't do that direction at all. Like even you see them in Germany, I'm quite sure that's the reason why they do the ripple.
Well, when I see the little kids doing it, that kills me, right?
Oh, I know, but all they're doing is one direction.
Are
Okay?
they?
Usually they're in a bank and they're just doing this, and as they're turning again, bam, they're not going back and forth. Much harder to go back and forth. Yeah, that is getting much more solid. That was the least amount of hesitation at the beginning. You hesitated after you got going.
Have I not got enough velocity, maybe? Is that?
It's not enough velocity, and it's that hesitation sticking. So now, I mean, next time you go to do that, take a couple extra turns and just wind it up more to where you feel that weight of that thing dragging out there. Okay? So now you got that direction good. So now go the other way. Make yourself just do the other one. No. Okay, now get the velocity going good. Let it level out.
Doing something wrong. I'm going up and pulling it in or something.
You're going a little more across you. It's a little more of a throw, but you'll get that. More velocity. Much more velocity. Twice as much velocity. That was better. The one thing I do see you doing on that direction, you let your whole body go quite a bit.
Much?
Whereas the other direction, because you feel more solid, you're not doing it. So it's just those little things. That is an improvement. It's not exactly where you want to be, but that is an improvement.
That one feels natural now, right?
Right.
Much more.
I mean, look at how easy that's gotten. And how easy it's gotten not to wrap it around your arm.
Yeah.
That's, you know.
Except for having cut my head off, that's a good point.
Well, I mean, I've wrapped that thing clear around my neck and face before, so.
Now,
That was
am I aiming different? I'm not aiming here anywhere. I'm moving over there when I go the other side.
actually, you might find that works for you. I actually end up aiming pretty much the same place. Don't ask me why. It makes no sense at all.
That was good.
Yeah, so maybe for you it is easier to do it the other way. But that was the best one by far. You had that direction, okay? You've improved a hell of a lot.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, see, now you're getting it. But don't shut your eyes.
Oh, I forgot what I was doing.
Whoops.
I'm out.
Come down. Yeah, so now
good.
Slowly.
Yeah, you're doing good.
For whatever reason on mine, I used to worry about it and then I would screw everything up. The first time I reversed, I rarely get a snap. But I've learned, if I just don't worry about it, the rest are fine.
Yep.
You know, most of the time, unless I've really got myself out of shape. At least we haven't taken any of the lights off.
Not yet. It's coming.
And that time I was actually aiming very much middle, but I mean, honestly, I've been doing multiple looks, like whether I do that kind of stuff. I do middle, because I cut stuff like off his head. Not every husband wants to have done to them.
He's a guinea pig, yeah.
But your motion's getting much better.
So back against the grain like that.
Yeah. But it takes a while, you know, give yourself the time to get the flow of it before trying to go directly back and forth, or you're going to get so frustrated.
So when she's like whipping it from her shoulder.
And you are improving a lot on that. That time you dragged it more over your head. Did it feel a little different? That time you had the right motion. That was better
That was
motion.
good.
You went to duck and you're smart that you pulled instead of doing
I
it.
felt it was late and it's going to be bad.
Yeah, because when you duck, it will chase you.
That's
no
cool.
mercy.
No, I just got to pull them off of the rack because I drive into my car in the garage every night and they're just sitting there staring at me. It's getting really annoying.